Hi, Dr. Pavia. Who are you wearing?
Hi, Easy. This is PhD Marine Biology from Silliman University in Dumaguete, Negros Oriental. And this is a professorial medal from the University of Santo Tomas.
Toga ng University of Manchester sa United Kingdom at ang degree ay PhD Instrumentation Science and Instrumentation and Analytical Science. At ang medalya ay para sa Professor Emeritus.
PhD in Clinical Psychology, University of Santo Tomas Graduate School.
PhD Mathematics, Ateneo de Manila University.
I'm wearing the doctoral gown of the University of Santo Tomas, PhD Biological Sciences.
Hello everybody, I'm wearing the supply of the University of the Philippines, Diliman, PhD in Biology.
Complete attire for an academician of the National Academy of Science and Technology. So this is the medallion as an academician. But I'm also wearing the medallion of a Professor Emeritus of the University of Santo Tomas.
PhD in Marine Biosciences, Tokyo University of Marine Science and Technology.
PhD in Educational Psychology, De La Salle University, Manila.
PhD in Applied Mathematics, Chungyen Christian University, Taiwan.
Doctorerum Naturalium in Biology at the University of Frankfurt in Germany.
PhD in Chemistry, University of Santo Tomas.
MS in Mathematics from De La Salle University.
PhD in Biology, University of Arkansas, USA.
PhD Physics, University of the Philippines, Diliman.
PhD in Engineering, major in Applied Chemistry from Tohoku University in Japan.
Masters in Mathematics Education, University of Santo Tomas.
Master of Science, major in Biology from University of Santo Tomas.
PhD in Molecular Biology from the National University of Singapore.
University of New South Wales in Sydney, Australia, PhD in Chemistry.
PhD, major in Chemistry, University of Santo Tomas.
Doctor of Science in Biology, Suncheon National University, South Korea.
Doctor of Philosophy in Science Education with specialization in Mathematics, De La Salle University, Manila.
PhD in Mathematics Education, UP Diliman.
Dr. Nat Biologie von Universität Bayreuth, Bavaria, Germany.
Master of Statistics, University of the Philippines, Diliman.
PhD in Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chiba University.
PhD major in Biology, University of Santo Tomas.
Doctor of Natural Sciences and Physics, Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich.
This is the Pontifical Gregorian University in Rome, and this is ecclesiastical history.
Doctorerum Naturalium from the University of Bayreuth.
PhD in Mathematics, National Taiwan Normal University.
MS major in Biology, University of Santo Tomas.
Professional Masters in Applied Mathematics, Actuarial Science, UP Diliman.
PhD in Science Education, major in Physics, De La Salle University.
Masters of Science, major in Biology, University of Santo Tomas.
Doctor of Philosophy in Physics at National Taiwan Normal University.
Master of Science in Mathematics, University of the Philippines, Diliman.
Doctor of Medicine from the University of Santo Tomas.
Master of Science in Mathematics Education, Ateneo de Manila University.
Ay cup ng para sa isang pari. Pero may apat na na sulok. Ibig sabihin, meron akong doktorado sa filosofiya.
Masters of Mathematics, Ateneo de Manila University.
PhD Physics, UP Diliman.
PhD in Physics, National Central University in Taiwan.
Master of Science in Mathematics Education, Ateneo.
PhD in Chemistry, University of Santo Tomas,